Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kim Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. So on today's episode, I want to tell you something and show you something. But first of all, let me drink my garlic and water. So a lot of people have been asking me, so Kenny, what is the right time for us to create a dollar account in Ghana? And that time I find it difficult to answer those questions. But today I want to answer this question with this video. Today is the right time to create a dollar account. People will be saying, why today? Jay, if you go $1 to Ghana cedis, you say that $1 is equivalent to 9.58 or 10 cedis. Let's say 10 cedis. At first, last 2 months, $1 was like 14 cedis. And a lot of people were chatting me, I want to create a dollar account, and I always tell them not to start right now. I know surely the city will be up its game, and today the city is equivalent to 10 cedis is equivalent to $1. So I know today is the right time for you to create, or for you to start your dollar business, for you to create your dollar account. So no time to waste. I will show you how to create your dollar account and start investing in your dollar account, or start saving a lot of money, or start saving a small money you have, and let's say 2 to 3 months to come, you earn a lot of money from it. Just base me. I know today $1 is 10 cedis. So when you invest, let's say 100 cedis, you will get, let's say, $10. So you invest $10 or save $10 in your dollar account, and I know some months to come, the dollar will go up again. I know it. It will go up again. So when it go up from 10 cedis, let's say to 12 cedis or 14 cedis, you have profit of 4 cedis per $1. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to tell you. So today is the right time for you to start saving in dollars. Start creating your dollar account, and I will show you this app. And this app also accepts mobile money, so you can transfer your money from your mobile money to the account. And the app is Eversend. It's on Google Play Store. You can download that app. The app is Eversend, so you can connect your mobile money to that app and transferring your mobile money to the app. And when you transfer your mobile money to the app, it will be saved in your Ghana cedis account. So after saving in your Ghana cedis account, then you transfer that money to your dollar account. I'm talking too much. Let's jump on my phone screen and let me show you. Let's break everything down. I said today is the day. Today is the right time for you to create your dollar account. Just wait me and start. Join me and let's do it. This video is basically for education purpose. I'm not a financial coach. I'm just teaching you what I've learned. So join me and let's do it. So welcome to my phone screen. So a lot of people don't know how to create a dollar account in Ghana, and today is the right time for you to follow my tutorials and learn how to create a dollar account in Ghana. So first of all, you download this app on Google Play Store or App Store. That's Eversend app. So after downloading the app, then you follow a link in my description. I've already shown you how you can create the account. and I said today is the best day. Today's date, because right now the dollar is appreciating. So today is the best day for you to create your dollar account. Yeah. So no time to wait. I've already told you that you will first download the Eversend app and follow the link in my description. I've already wrote something in my description that says follow this link to create your dollar account. Yeah, so I've already done a video explaining how you can create your dollar account, so there's no need for me to go back to explain that thing again. Yeah, but if you need us to talk one-on-one concerning your dollar accounts, you can message me on my WhatsApp business. That one to have already leave the link in my description. Yeah, and if you want to join my Telegram account, the Telegram account, the name is Randall Technology Company. So if any account on Telegram approach you and tell you that it's from like he or she is from Randall Technology Company, he's lying or she's lying. Yeah, we have only 2 admins, and their one last number end with 20 and the other end is 33. So if any number contacts you, then it's a scam. Yeah, so after following the link to create your dollar account, then you'll see something like this Eversend app on your screen. So you open it, and when, like, before you create this account, make sure that you have identity card. You are a human being, yeah, because you verify with your face and this kind of things. Yeah, so then you create your password, because Eversend is like a banking system, so you only have to have an access to it. So you create your password for it. So after clicking or entering your password, it will open. But if your password is wrong, it will never open. Yeah, so this is my demo account that I always use it for my tutorials. Yeah, so a lot of people were saying they can't withdraw their money through their mobile money account, this kind of things. Yeah, and today I will show you how you can withdraw it. I want to show you everything, because today is the best way for you to create your dollar account. Yeah, so when you open your account, this is how the account looks like. Yeah, your Ghana account, the main balance will be there. And if you go here, I have almost like 5 accounts. This one is Kenyan's account, and this one is Rwanda account, and this one is my Uganda shillings account, and this one is my USD, that's my dollar account. Yeah, so after opening your account, this is my dollar account. And if I want to fund my dollar account, because the dollar account, you can't deposit through your mobile money. You have to listen it clear, because a lot of people have been calling me and chatting me, oh, I can't deposit in my dollar account with my mobile money. You have to know that mobile money is based in Ghana, and in Ghana or Africa. That means it's a local banking system, so you cannot transfer that dollar to your dollar account only if you have a dollar or a paper or a banking that you can transfer your money to your dollar account. Yeah, so if you want to transfer or fund your USD account, you click on fund, and you see you have credit card, debit card, and filter wave link. The filter wave link is a link that links your local accounts to your international accounts. Yeah, so these are the 2 main things that you can use to deposit your account in it. Whilst making I've clicked on the filter wave link, and it says whilst making the payment, please ensure you do not change the email from that's my email as provided. This means that the link or the email that you used to create the account, or you used to create your dollar account, when depositing when deposit your money from your floataway link to your dollar account, make sure that you will not change the name that you've already provided from your original Gmail to any Gmail. That one is prohibited. It is a sign of fraud. So make sure that when creating your account, the link or the Gmail you already provided that is your Gmail. Make sure that when you are depositing your money from your international account to your dollar account, and they'll ask you provide your Gmail, make sure that you will not change the Gmail. Make sure that you provide the main Gmail. Yeah, the main Gmail that has the account names. Yeah. In this one, if you want to deposit from your credit account, then you can also deposit through your credit account. I have two credit accounts linked to this one. One is Fidelity Bank and one is credit or debit card. Yeah, so you can also deposit your money through that. Yeah, so I want to show you how you can deposit to your dollar account from your mobile money. So please, I know the reason why I'm taking my time to explain all this thing one by one. So please pay attentively attention and listen to what I'm trying to teach. Yeah. So I've already told you that you cannot deposit or fund your USD account through mobile money. You can only do that through your debit through your credit cards. Yeah. So let's assume you want to deposit through your USD with mobile money. This is how you have to do it. First, you have to go to your Ghana. That's your Ghana account. That's your city account, Ghana city account. Then you click on fund. So after clicking on the fund, you see that there's credit card, debit card, mobile money, floataway link. So from mobile money wallet. So this one you can also deposit from your mobile money wallet straight to your Ghana city account. Take note, you cannot transfer money from your mobile money to your dollar account straight. You can only transfer money from your mobile money account to your cedi's account. So let's say you will click on it, then you click on your mobile money that you have already provided to the account managers. Then you click on it, you do your deposits and things, and you see that this zero will change to the amount you provided through your Eversend account. So after that, then you click on exchange. The exchange means you are about to exchange your Ghana cedis to any account you want to exchange to. So right now I have Ghana cedi and Kenyan shillings, and one cedi is equal to 11.14 Kenyan shillings. But I want to show you how you can transfer your mobile money to your Ghana cedi account and exchange your Ghana cedis to dollars and deposit in your dollars account. So I'll click on here, then click on my USD. So right now, according to Eversend account, $1 is equal to 11 cedis, 0.07 pesos. $1 is equal to 11 cedis, 0.7 pesos or 7 pesos. Yeah. So let's assume you have 200 cedis here. Then let's say you have 20 cedis. So 20 cedis is equal to what? 18.06. 18.06. So let's assume I want to deposit 0.9. Cedis is equal to what? $90.32. So if I exchange 1,000 cedis to dollars, I'll get $90.32. So if I have a fund in my dollars in my Ghana City account, let's assume I have money in my Ghana City account. I'll click on continue, then it's what exchange. But right now my balance is 0. That's why it can exchange, because I'm using this demo account for serious sake here. Then it will exchange from your Ghana Cedis what to your USD. So right now, let's assume you have $90.32 in your USD. So right now, I'll show you how you yeah. So a lot of people have been asking me, Kenny, I can't deposit money through my mobile money into my dollar account. So I hope this video will help you. And I've already told you, today is the best day for you to create a dollar account. Today is the best day for you to create a dollar account if you don't have one. And if you want to know how to create this platform, I've already done a video in my description, so you can check it out. Today I was breaking everything down. Yeah. So if you want to, the same thing applies to all the accounts. If you want to deposit in your Uganda shillings, if you want to save there, you can do that. So these are my accounts: Kenya shillings, Rwanda francs, Ghana shillings, United States dollars, and Ghana cedis. Yeah. So you can do that and do that and do that. So after your dollars have earned a lot of money and you want to withdraw the money, this is how you will do it. You do it. You go to send and you click on mobile money and you click on your mobile money. So the amount you want to withdraw, you click on the amount you want to withdraw. After clicking on the amount you want to withdraw, then you click on continue. So if you want to withdraw straight from your USD account, so you click on the amount you want to withdraw, and it will and you see I click on $280, and they say the maximum money I can withdraw through my momo money is 2,000 cedis. So that means I can withdraw 2,771 cedis into my mobile money account. So let's say, let me do it $150. So $150 is equal to 1,430. So 1,430. Then I'll click on continue. Then the dollars will be on my mobile account as Ghana cedis. This is how you do it. So please, but if you have any questions and you want us to talk one-on-one, you can WhatsApp me. And we will talk. Thank you for sticking to my tutorials, watching me every day. Please don't forget to share to your loved ones so that they will also know the good things. And like, comment what you think about this video, what is bothering you. Comment so that I can help you solve it. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. The next to remain the same. I'm Ghnaa Rhymes, a co-founder of a technology company, and I'm out.